Okay, so you guys, never knew something like this existed. I don't know how I came across this, but I am so glad that I did. This little mini desktop vacuum cleaner honestly works, and I'm like really shocked. So in my bedroom, I have a lot of mirrored pieces. My fireplace, my vanity, and I have, like, the crushed diamond theme. So I have a lot of mirror and glass, and then I have these shelves here and these shelves here. They tend to collect dust fairly quickly. But I do have the little Swiffer handle that really honestly does the job. But when I saw this, I was like, I have to give this a try. So you put batteries in it, okay? I'm one-handing this, so I'm not going to be able to show you everything, but I just want to show you how this works. Now, I would say be careful. These little bristles are very tightly compacted, so they feel stiff, and they can probably be abrasive if you press down too hard. So just be mindful of that, of the surface that you use this on. So there's a little on-off switch right here. You turn it on. You hear that? So I have used this, and I have just taken it and have just gone over when I walk past my glass, and I'm like, ooh, I'll dust, and then the very next day, I don't know if you could see the difference. Let me see if okay, look, you see, there's a little dust here. And believe it or not, I honestly just dusted this. So I'm going to go over this and show you the difference. Gone. I know you see that, right? The dust is gone. It's amazing. So I'm going very gently with it, just lightly. I'm not pressing down. And do you see that?
Okay, so you would probably buy this to clean up little messes like this, right? New batteries, countertop, regular crumbs, getting ready to wipe it down, but thought, hey y'all, clean up first. Wait a minute. Something's not right here. Doesn't actually clean anything up the size that you'd actually want it to. Still there. Still there. Personally,
take a little table salt. Shake it. I don't know if you can see that. It's not quick, but it does the job.
Okay guys, I'm obsessed with this little baby handheld vacuum. See the mess right here? Here's my little baby vacuum. Turn it on.
Oh my god, I got this. I love it. I just recently got it, and girl, when I tell you I be erasing like crazy, it works wonderful. It picks up everything. It is the best thing I ever bought. It cleans up for me. I can walk away from my desk knowing that there's no crumbs, no.
So look at this. See the glitter? Watch.
No.
Okay, this little thing has come in such handy. It's literally just a counter vacuum. You can turn it on. You can go over to
Jordan, I think she last year. I talked to Coach Montez and she's fine.
Again, just having a very savage like mouth.